Hi, good afternoon, guys. How are you? Well, hello, everyone.
Being a so I'm
Hi,
छोटी
good evening,
Diploma
everyone. Good evening, good afternoon. Okay, please keep
तो
your
अगर आप
mute mics on mute. Okay, so today is the orientation program, guys. Hi, I welcome you to these diploma courses. So this is a combined orientation program for all the diplomas. All the diplomas are starting today. All medical affairs diploma, diploma in medical writing, diploma in pharmacovigilance, and 8-in-1 diploma. Right. So these four courses are starting today, and today is the orientation program. I can see there are only few people have joined, though there are almost 55 in all four courses. There are 55 students, but only a few have joined. Only 20 have joined. That's okay. This is just, guys, this is just the orientation program. So I'll be talking to you how the course will go, what is the course, and what are the faculties, and how you are going to deliver it. I mean, how you are going to receive it, how you are going to deliver it, what will be the exams, what will be the assignments, and all. Okay, those things we'll discuss. I'll explain to you, and if you have any questions and queries, you can discuss with me. Okay, and we'll discuss on the timings and all also. Right. So we will discuss one by one, and at the end, if you have any queries, you all can discuss with me. You all can ask your queries with me. So let's start. Let's not delay. First, I'll start with the 8-in-1. Okay. First, let's start with 8-in-1. So we have this course called 8-in-1 Diploma in Advanced Clinical Research. Yeah. So this is the course what we're talking about. This is 8-in-1 comprehensive course for healthcare and life science graduates. Okay. There is some problem in the sharing. Yeah. So, yes, guys. So this is the 8-in-1 comprehensive course. This is one of the, top sold courses with us. And we have started this course last year. And last year also it was very full. And although, there was no seats. And then we complete it, and, we only take one batch in a year for this course. We just take one batch in a year for 8-in-1 comprehensive course, which is executive diploma in advanced clinical research. So this goes around 8 to 10 months. The length of the course, the duration of the course goes up to 10 months. And this is definitely you are going to get a lot of things in this. This is a value added course. This is your skill development training program, right? So, and this year we even came up with the installment payments. So let me get you directly to the program, right? So in this, what you are going to get is, in this you are going to get a lot of things. First, let's discuss what you're going to get exactly. So there are multiple domains. First domain is clinical research and project management, what we are going to get, okay, which we are and then you will be getting ICH guidelines training, which are starting next week only. I mean, you are starting with the ICH guidelines training only first. Okay. So ICH guys, listen to me, everyone. I mean, ICH guidelines are for three diplomas here. ICS guidelines are for 8-in-1, ICS guidelines are for diploma in medical writing, and ICH guidelines are for diploma in pharmacovigilance. These are, given to them complimentary with these courses. Okay, ICH guidelines trainings are given complimentary to all these, three diplomas. Executive diploma in pharmacovigilance, executive and this executive diploma in medical writing, and 8-in-1. Along with that, 7-in-1 and 3-in-1 also has the ICH guidelines, right? So these ICH guidelines will start next week, and then there is medical writing, there is regulatory affairs, there is pharmacovigilance, there is clinical data management, there will be biostatistics and data analytics, and then there will be the artificial intelligence. Right. So this is the combination, and there will be the paper writing, scientific writing as well. Right. So there are almost 9 to 10 modules which we are 9 to 10 domains we are covering in this in this big course, in this 8-in-1 course. Someone's mic is on. Can you please take care of your mic, guys? Okay, so this course, I mean, we are going to take all these things. As you can see, clinical research, we will take all, up to the intermediate and advanced level. ICS guidelines, all 6 modules. Regulatory affairs, also intermediate to, advanced. You will take, and medical writing, full-fledged certificate course you are going to get in. Okay, pharmacovigilance also you are going to get 10 plus modules, almost 13 modules. Clinical data management, full course you are going to get. Biostatistics, you are going to get full course. SPSS training, and then essentials of artificial intelligence, you will be getting the full-fledged 1 3 months course of essentials of artificial intelligence. Now I'll come to the certificate. If people think that you will get the different certificates, no, certificate will be one, but we will mention in the transcript everything whatever you have done. Okay, everything will be mentioned. Recently, we have launched, I mean, we have given even the certificates for the previous batch. Those were really wonderful. And we have designed based on the demands and requirements from the students only. So you will get only one certificate at the end of 8 in 1. But along with that, in 8 in 1, you are going to get the certificate for ICA GCP training separately. You are going to get the certificate for uh, this paper writing and scientific writing course as well, which is also given separately. Okay, these two courses certificates you will get separately. Otherwise, at the end, you will get the entire, only one certificate with full transcript like. Which course you have done, how many modules you have done, what time you spent, everyone, you will get that. Okay. And definitely, if we come back to this, all the classes will be on the for all of you, let me tell you all, like for 8 in 1, classes will be mostly on the weekends, 2 to 3 days, usually Friday, Saturday, and Sundays. Okay, so these are the class timings after 6 p.m., mostly 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m., mostly 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. And for the medical writing also, because 8 in 1 and medical writing goes parallelly right now. I mean, and pharmacovigilance also goes together. So how we will plan it? Like 8 in 1 people will get medical writing and pharmacovigilance and CDM all together, right? So they have to attend all three courses, one on Friday, one on Saturday, one on Sunday. Okay, that's how we plan, right? So medical writing will get one class every week, and so regulatory affairs also get one week. Regulatory affairs is totally different. Regulatory affairs is yeah, regulatory affairs is totally different. So for the regulatory affairs, classes will be in the Sundays. Classes will be on the Sundays. Those classes will be from 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. Okay, from 1 o'clock to 2:30 or 3 o'clock. Right. So drug regulatory affairs classes will be only on Sundays afternoon. Okay. Medical writing classes will be usually right now we are keeping on Fridays or Sundays, and then pharmacovigilance classes will be again on Saturday, and CDM classes will be on Friday, right? So these we will adjust everything. We will give you the full-fledged schedules for everything. Right now, all the executive diplomas, full-fledged diplomas, right, medical writing, regulatory affairs, and pharmacovigilance will have one class every week, and 8 in 1 have 8 in 1, 7 in 1, and 3 in 1 will have the four. I mean, sorry, one classes. Sorry, 8 in 1 will have all three classes because they are included in the pharmacovigilance. They are included in the medical writing. They are included in the CDM, right? So you guys will get three classes per week, right? But nothing will be clashed. Don't worry about that. That the classes will be clashing. No class will be clashing because our scheduling is totally like that. There is no class clashing in between, right? And we are not overburdening. Also, we are not overburdening you. The classes will be strictly on weekends. Classes will be strictly on weekends, evening time. Okay, evening time, right? So, and for the 8 in 1, guys, listen to me carefully. For the 8 in 1, you will get two hardcover books of pharmacovigilance and medical writing as a course material, which will be delivered to you at your home. Okay. In the month of August, mid-August, we will ask you your addresses. That time you provide your addresses. Okay. After the second installment, mostly in September, after the second installment, your books will be delivered to your home. You don't have to worry about the books. And similarly, for the medical writing diploma, your medical writing book will be delivered in September. Similarly, for the pharmacovigilance people, pharmacovigilance book will be delivered your home in the September. These books are involved, and these are included as a free course material for all of you. So in September, after the second after the second installment, once you pay the second installment, immediately the books will be delivered. Immediately books will be like dispatched from our publisher side, and they will be delivered to your home. Okay. And whoever has paid the first installments right now, they have to pay the first, I mean, second installment in the August second week to fourth week anytime. Okay. And August first week, I mean, second week to fourth week anytime you have to pay the second installment. So after almost 2 months, not right now, after 2 months, you have to pay the after after 50 to 60 days only you have to pay the second installments, not right now. Okay. So that is about these courses, about this course, right? Enough. And then along with that, definitely, as you can see, there is in the executive diploma in pharmacovigilance, executive diploma in medical writing, and 7-in-1, 3-in-1, and this 8-in-1, they also have 60 days industrial intensive. Okay. You guys will get the 60 days industrial intensive. Okay, we will plan it how we go ahead with the industrial intensive. So that is also included. Usually we provide after the course, sometimes in between, whenever this is launched by the company, by our CRO, when we are launching this 2 months intensive, industrial intensive, that will be free of cost for you. So that is 100% live, and for the intensive also you will get the separate certificate. Okay, for the intensive also you all will get the separate certificate. So this will be completely the live projects from the industry, from our CRO. You will get the live projects, you will be working on those projects. We will tell when we are starting this intensive, we will tell all the rules and regulations what you have to follow. And usually there are the workshops or classes on Sundays, followed by the assignments, and followed by the quiz, right? So that's how we have planned, and we plan usually our intensive. So for the 8-in-1, 7-in-1, 3-in-1, and diploma in pharmacovigilance, right, medical writing, you will get it free. But this time we are planning, something, some 1 month intensive for the regulatory affairs people also. Okay. We are planning some, workshop, sorry, some, industry based intensive for regulatory affairs also. Yes, Lata, we will see. Okay, so you all will get these what we say, intensive, and now we are planning for the regulatory affairs also. So regulatory affairs people also can access 1 month, at least 1 month intensive. I mean, we will keep it free for you, definitely. So 1 month intensive, industrial intensive, free of cost for all of you, where you will be working on the industry projects, where you will be working on the industry projects, and you will be learning those industrial projects, how to do, what to do, right? So this is how we prepare the structure. Okay, let me come to the faculty part, because I think you all have gone through these. I'll not get into the technical part of the brochure, like CLIMAD is established for last 5 years, and we have already trained 1 lakh plus aspirants in various courses and trainings, and we already have received the best edtech of India in 2024, and all the courses are 9+ rating out of 10. All the courses what you are registered in for are 9+ rating out of 10 by all the users, by all the participants. And along with that, guys, we have guys, in all the courses you must have received one thing like 100% placement assistance. Let me tell you, 100% placement assistance. What is 100% placement assistance? As you are seeing in the highlights, right? Here you are seeing 100% placement assistance for all the courses, not only for the medical writing or regulatory affairs or pharmacovigilance. For every course, we are opening this 100% placement assistance, because you guys come with some dreams, and you guys come to these diplomas, or these courses with the hope that you will get assistance in placement. So you will get the assistance in the placement, and that assistance will be like one-to-one engagement, first of all. Then along with that, you will get the mock interviews. You all will be giving the mock interviews. Interested people, I mean, I have seen all the people are not interested at the end for the mock interviews, but yes, selected people will be given. Whoever is interested will be given, the mock interviews. Along with that, we will be referring you. We will be giving you the recommendation letters. We will be telling you about the jobs, and we will be helping you in the placements. Don't worry about that. Okay. So these all the courses are, with 100% placement assistance. And if I talk about the, resource persons, all the resource persons, if you check the regulatory affairs faculty, Dr. Priyansi is working in one of the very famous company, one of the very, like international, multinational company, which in the regulatory affairs, right? In Biocon, and in 18-1, if you see, medical writing is taught by 3 to 4 people, and pharmacovigilance is also, taken by 3 to 4 people. Yeah, so I was telling that medical writing is taken by 3 to 4 people who are from GSK and Kine and other companies, other rated companies. Similarly, pharmacovigilance is do. So these all people are excellent. These all people are right now working. See, like others, I'm telling you, unlike others, we don't have a single person who teaches everything. There is no monopoly. So you can learn from many people. You can learn from many people, and these people are lively working in the company's industry. So you get different perspectives from the industry, different what we say, the experiences from different industries, right? So you will get all these things in these diplomas, right? For regulatory affairs, pharmacovigilance, or medical writing, or CDM, Mr. Ram has almost 16 years of experience in big industries like GSK, Lupin, and all, right? So you don't worry about the people, you will be getting that. Okay, and similarly, as I told you, book for medical writing, the book will be delivered. For pharmacovigilance, book will be delivered. For regulatory affairs, there is nothing like book, but yes, you will get a lot of other perks. Okay, and for everyone, there are 100% live classes. You all have to you all have to attend all the classes. And yes, let me come to the instructions. So there are very simple instructions, nothing much. First of all, you all will get the recordings also. Once the class is over, you will get the recordings. But along with that, because we are conducting online classes, live classes, so at least 75% of attendance in the live classes is mandatory. Okay, 75% of attendance in the live classes is mandatory for all of you. Okay, all of you. So this time we have in the medical writing, we have even additionally, added the clinical trial transparency writing and industrial internship, right? So, and so yeah, I'll come to this. So there are exams also and assignments, guys. Okay, so there are assignments. You have to submit the assignment. Every assignment is having some weightage of marks, and that affects the final certificate. And similarly, there is a final exam. The final exam is comprehensive exam, where there'll be MCQs, true false, short answer questions, long answer questions. That is website based question answer, I mean website based question paper or Google form sometimes. So you have to attend your exam. Similarly, it is for pharmacovigilance also, it is for medical writing also, right? So question paper and the final exam is usually 1 to 2 hours, depends. Like, we change every time, we don't go with the same paper. So we change every time, so it will be 1 to 2 hours, and comprehensive type of paper, right? And once you clear out that, then only you will get the certificate. Remember that registering to the course and not attending the classes, I'm very sorry, but you will not get the certificate. Okay, your money, I mean, if you are paying, be a little attentive, be little regular into the classes. So come to the classes. Okay, today is the orientation program, I'm fine. If you are not joining, I mean, many of the people have not joined. Only 1/3 of you have joined these courses. Okay, 1/3 of you have joined the orientation. So it's okay. I completely agree. Okay, but in the classes, I need your attendance at least 75% in the live classes. Okay, it is similarly for everyone, not only this. So if you look at this medical writing, there is a overall average of 9.1 for the course quality, end-to-end engagement, faculty members, course management, course content, understanding the underlying concept, course met your expectations. So we ask many questions to similarly, you will be asked these questions and you will be giving your feedbacks. Okay, and I believe you are here with us because of these feedbacks, only because of these that, as people say, as our all old participants says, and our quality what we are maintaining for last 5 years. So, and this is the regulatory affairs brochure. I hope you have gone through. I'll not take much time. So these are the here also you will get the 100% live classes recordings and 100% placement assistance for the regulatory affairs also. And as I told, experts are from industry, all the top-notch industries. There will be the leadership dialogues and all personal assignments are there, right? So this is the entire syllabus. I hope this syllabus is one of the most comprehensive syllabus for these courses. Okay, and similarly, you all will have the assignments and the final quizzes, and based on that only you will get the certificate. And guys, believe me, these courses are very expensive. If you go to the market, these courses are not cheaper. You will get these courses in 50,000, 80,000, 100,000, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 5,000 also. I have seen this, one institute based in Bangalore providing 75, 80,000 for one course, right? So this is, and they have only one faculty member. This is, see, I'm not comparing with them, but I'm telling you, like, because why we are providing these at the very least prices, because we have the fundings, we have the CSR fundings, and we get those fundings because we can, empower you, we can empower the students, and that's why we are very satisfied, and you must be satisfied with the course curriculum, and the teachers. So yes, for the pharmacovigilance also similarly, this is a 4 month 4+2 course design. Similarly for medical writing, 4+2. 4+2 means 4 months of the theory classes and 2 months of the intensive classes. Okay. And there will be the soft skill development, mock interviews, 100% live classes, right? So all these you are going to get. All the syllabus is predefined. It is not like we are hiding or we will teach you less. Everything, whatever is mentioned, will be taught. Okay. And if you feel that some topics are not being covered, then you can just come to me anytime. You can come to me anytime, and based on that, we will provide you, or we will add the topics whatever you want to join or you want to learn. Right. So this is from my side, guys, in the orientation. But yes, please follow the rules. First is your live attendance, your assignments, your final exam. And second is, I'll not consider any excuses, frankly, if I tell you. Okay. So because we are putting so much efforts, these people are coming from the industry to teach you live, they are working in the industry and coming to teach you. So it's a very appreciable step, from that side also. And, the people who are funding your courses, it is from their side also. Okay. It is for them also. You have to work for them. You have to, work means you have to think of that, or those people also who are, paying for your courses. These courses are, 30,000, 50,000, 60,000. So 80% of your fees is paid by the fundings, funding agencies, right? So you have to think of like how much you are paying. You're just paying, just 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. That's all. But these courses are majorly funded by the industry, other industries, right? Other CSR funding. So please take care of that, and maintain that, and learn as much as you can learn. Ask as much as questions you can ask to our faculty members. Don't leave them until you are not cleared with your all the questions. Okay, guys, so that's from my side. I think I'll not take much time of yours. So if any questions, any doubts, please ask me. Okay, so classes will be in weekend. Regulatory affairs once in a week. That will be from 1 to 3 or 1 to 2:30 p.m. Okay, every Sunday. And for medical writing, mostly Sunday Sunday 2 hours, and Friday mostly 1 hour or 1.5 hour. For pharmacovigilance, again Friday 1.5 hour, and for CDM weekend. So I mean we'll plan, like nothing will be doing. Classes are starting next Friday only. I mean, Friday only. Classes started today only. So first class, always when you go to the college, there is an orientation program, right? To tell you how to behave, to tell you how to do, to tell you how the course will work, how you will work with the course, right? So this is the orientation. Your course started officially today, and the main classes will be starting from Friday. What if I do not prefer to take placement assistant immediately after the course, but after some time, can we? Yeah, we can do. See, I'm telling you, our most of the students, or many of the students, more than 50% are students. I mean, student of this course are actually students. They are in the fourth year or fifth year, and they don't want placement assistance right now. So we help them later also. It doesn't matter. We have recently, completed the medical writing job driving, and those people, had a very high grade job, like 40,000, 60,000. Jobs, and then I mean per month job, and then recently we have hired multiple clinical pharmacists and a lot of other things. I mean, I mean these job drives are always on. So whenever you are ready, you can talk to us. We will try that time also. Not a problem at all. And if, because as the classes are starting on Friday, if anyone wants to join, they can join this course still. Okay, they can still join this course, guys. Yes, any other questions for me? Sir, will we be the job ready as per current company's requirement? Yes. See, these courses are not the theory courses. These are 100% industry oriented courses, and you will get the all latest updates, all latest skills you will be trained in for the industry. You will be industry ready after this course. You will be 100% industry. I guarantee that you will be 100% industry ready and able to crack any interviews related to medical writing, or the entry jobs. You can clear any interview after these courses. I'm very sure. Yes, B Farm students are most eligible for these PV and medical writing and regulatory affairs. Why not? Because see, before PharmD, you people were there who were doing these jobs, right? And still, you people are very much eligible. It's not like only PharmDs are eligible. Everyone is eligible for this B Farm. I mean, pharmacy background, 4 year degree is very much eligible. Everything is online, 100% online, whether it is industrial internship or anything, it is online. In last batches, we have even entertained two, three, four offline internships also. That is not a problem. 8 in 1, let me see if regulatory affairs is there. No, see, if I will not overburden you, yes, in 8 in 1 also regulatory affairs is there, but I'll not overburden you. So what we'll do is, if not this course, then we will take the classes, separate classes for you for the regulatory affairs, but everything will be delivered. Okay, so we cannot conduct more than 3 classes. We will not conduct more than 3 classes for all of you. Okay, in weekends, only Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you have to be ready for the classes. That's all. We will cover everything. Can you give me the average pay scale I can get after medical writing course? It totally depends. The company who hired recently, our members, they paid from 25,000 to 60,000, just depending on how skilled you are. Just depending on how skilled you are. It is completely a skill-based job. Like if you are having 1 or 2 years of experience, you may get 50,000. If you are completely fresher and don't know like anything, if you're completely fresher and they need to train you, then definitely they need to train you, then definitely from 25 to 30,000. So it is completely up to you how much do you learn. So it is based on the interview. Nowadays there is no fixed pay scale. There is no fixed pay scale. In one interview only for one position, they hire three people with the different three different pay scales. So nowadays, completely it is depending on your skills, how you deliver, how you go to the interview, how you get the job. Okay, so pay scale is really different. From B Farm third year, can I get job assistant after during my HM? Yes, definitely we will help you. Sunday gynecology obstetric classes 1 to 2 p.m. Yeah, we will see. We will see. We will try to not. This will not be classing. Don't worry. This will not class. We will take care of that. Yes. Anyone else? No. No questions. Guys, any other questions? Sir, I joined late. Can you give me quick overview of 8 in 1? I'll give you the recordings better. I'll give you the recordings in the group tomorrow, okay? Then you please go ahead later. Yes, surely. What will be the mode of assignments? Website or Google, the Google form? So do we have to give the delivery charges for the books? Not at all. Free of cost. As I am telling you, it is 100% free of cost. The books will be reaching your home free of cost. Our publisher from Amazon is our tie-up. So Amazon will deliver those books free of cost without any delivery charges to your home. Yes, Radha, I just addressed your question. Yes, after internship, I'm telling you, I'm answering this question for many people. Yes, once you are ready, we will help you. Books will be provided for RA course to say no, no, no. For RA course, there is no book. There is no book material. You will get some other perks. Don't worry. For RA, there is no book. Sir, I have preference for remote working. Can you refer some companies that remotely work? There are many companies, working in the remote. But yes, those remote jobs are for usually medical writing, and basically for medical writing only. CDM, regulatory affairs, and pharmacovigilance. Also, some jobs are, uh, pharmacovigilance. Some jobs are remote, but almost these most of the jobs are office based. Regulatory is 100% office based. Regulatory is not the home-based job. when we will be getting the course materials after paying the there are the second installments, right? So in August mid anyways, after 1 month of the course only, we will start dispatching the books. So in August midweek, August mid, you will be getting a form, and by September first week you will be getting your books and course material your home. Not right away, in September first week or second week. Books will be provided, one book for Pharmacovigilance Diploma, one book for Medical Writing Diploma, and two books for 8 in 1. Sir, if I do regulatory affairs, but I'm interested in joining medical writing classes just for learning, not for certifications. Dear, these groups are different. You can talk to me later, no problem. After this, you can talk to me. Yes, guys. Anyone? Any questions? Any more questions?
Hello, sir. Good evening. Am I audible?
Hi, Ria.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Good
Uh,
evening.
so, as you said, that there will be the classes for the regulatory affairs on every Sunday from 1 to 2:30 or 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So, I just
Yes.
wanted to ask that just before, like the day before the classes, we will be getting the link for joining or on the same.
Absolutely. No, mostly either see 4 to 5 hours before. See, we will give you the full schedule. So
Mhm.
you have to be ready with the schedule. Usually links are provided a day before.
Okay, so the schedule will be provided to us for the classes before that.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you
The
so much.
entire course, the schedule will be provided. Or we usually, when there are multiple courses, what we do is we provide the schedule for 2 weeks at
Oh,
least. For
okay.
every course, we prepare one master schedule. We provide that to all the students, so they are well aware, for the class in advance. And links are given in the, in your WhatsApp group itself.
Okay, that sounds good. And also, my second question is that uh, the recorded lectures that will be provided to us, that will be like each recording, like the recording for each class after the class, or all the recordings together at the end of the
No, no,
course.
after each class, within 24 to 48 hours, you will get it.
Okay, thank you so
Like
much.
suppose now I'm taking the class, you will be getting it, by tomorrow afternoon, or most probably by, Tuesday. That's all.
Oh, okay,
Not more than that.
okay, okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. The course material is offline only in the book form, or you have some portal where we can access the. No, no, there are no online resources. Offline books we are delivering. Those are written by our mentors only. I mean, one and GSK, Miss Sarabji. So this book in medical writing and pharmacovigilance are one of the best sellers, and that's why we are included those books for you, all of you, as a course material. And guys, remember that your second installments you have to pay. Whoever has paid the first installment, whoever has gone with the installments, you have to pay the second installments after 15th of August, not right away, after 15th of August, right? But you have to pay it in the August only. I mean, 15 to 30 August, 15 days, you will get a window of 15 days. So yeah, I'm telling you in advance, all of you. Sir, for RA course, which material is there? For RA course, there are there are certain forms. There are certain forms and, toolkits and, certain guidelines. Those things you will get online. Okay. But there is no specific book for RA. Sakshi is having one question. I also had one question, which a person asked before, like, I have interest in AI analytics and can I pursue that too? Yes, see, these all the courses which are written in 8 in 1. Okay, which are written in 8 in 1. These all are the separate courses. So if you, any one of you, like, suppose you are right now in medical writing only. If you want to join regulatory affairs, you can join regulatory affairs separately. If you want to join AI, you can join AI separately. Those will be launched, and SPSS will be launched. You can join SPSS separately. So that is totally up to you. What you want to learn, how much you want to learn, that is completely up to you. So 8 in 1 people have that advantage that they will get all the courses. That is the advantage for 8 in 1. That is the advantage for combined diploma. I mean, these combined advanced research diplomas. You know, 7-in-1, 3-in-1, 3-in-1, they will get all pharmacovigilance, medical writing, and CDM, all three courses in one, diploma. 5-in-1, they will get, including regulatory affairs also, and they are getting the, I think, AI also, right? And SPSS. And 8-in-1 are getting everyone. And 7-in-1 also getting everyone, excluding medical affairs or excluding regulatory affairs. So these are the combinations what we made, right? So yeah, if you want to pursue the individual things, you can pursue the individual courses also. We have all individual courses also. Books will be provided for medical writing, definitely, Radhika. No online courses, no online course material. On online only you will get the recordings. No, guys, listen to me carefully. I'm telling you now, you will not get any slides or PPTs because those are conflict of interest. These people who are teaching you are from the industry. Okay, and they also have to sign the conflict of interest with the industry that they will not be sharing any material. And they also sign that thing with us that they will be not sharing any kind of material with us, like any kind of slides. Okay, so no slides, only recordings you will get. And along with that, any course materials, websites, those things definitely they share a lot of things. See, I'm not saying that they don't share. They share all the books also, all the references what they are taking, papers they are taking, whatever from wherever they are reading, they share those things with you. Okay, but they don't share the PPTs at all. Remember that. Books will be providing, yes, Radhika, books will be providing for medical writing. Sir, this course will be help you getting a job. Yes, all clinical research courses are made for that only. 8-in-1, 7-in-1, 3-in-1, or clinical research diploma, or the medical writing diploma, medical writing, and these are super specialized diplomas. So they will not help you directly in CRA or CRC. But yes, 8-in-1, 7-in-1, 5-in-1, and 3-in-1, and the clinical research are helping you in getting the CRA and CRC jobs. Anyone else? Any other course? I mean, any other questions, guys? For intensive for 8-in-1, 7-in-1, 3-in-1, and medical writing and pharmacovigilance is 2 months. Duration of industrial internship is 2 months. Okay. Any other questions, guys? Okay. So from next time, I may not be, seeing you directly in the classes, but yes, please, learn well as much as you can. Ask a lot of questions, and if you feel anything, please put in the group. I'm very much aware. I'm in all the groups, and if you have anything, you can directly connect with me, and you can connect with the speakers. All the speakers are also in the groups, so you can connect with all the speakers, resource persons. They will be clarifying your queries time to time in the groups also. Okay, that's why we have created the group. So all the communications after that will not be in the emails, will be in the WhatsApp groups. So be aware, don't put the WhatsApp groups on mute, otherwise your attendance will be compromised, and then I'll not be responsible for the certificates at the end. Okay. For regulatory affairs, no internship, dear. For regulatory affairs, there is no internship. But we are planning. I'm just hopeful we are planning for regulatory affairs also. Okay. I wanted to get the introduction from you. If anyone wants to introduce yourself, like what you are doing, and my main purpose of introduction is like why you have joined this course. What is what's the objective behind joining this course? What's your purpose? I want to know that. So, what's your name, from where you are, what you are doing right now, and why you have joined this course? Anyone voluntarily. I'll not take everyone's introduction now. So, anyone voluntarily, if you want to introduce yourself and the specific purpose of joining these courses. Yes, guys, come on. No one? No one wants to speak?
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Yes, so my name is Riya Bakhtar and I am from Pune. I have completed my master's in pharmacy from the Pune University, and I had joined the regulatory affairs course because, to build a strong uh, a knowledge, a strong foundation in the drug regulation, the global regulatory systems, the compliance, and with my background in the pharmaceutical field, I have also done the internship at Cipla for 2 months. Post that, I have also worked as an assistant professor at the college for 3 years, teaching the undergraduate students. And for the 2 years, I have been working as a medical information specialist. But as I have done a lot of research during my working as an assistant professor. So I am, interested to go further in the regulatory systems and, to further upskill myself. That's all. Thank you so much.
Okay, so I have a question. What is medical information specialist, Riya?
So, as a medical information specialist, we used to, provide or respond to the medical inquiries. We used to identify and collect the adverse events and product complaints from the US markets, from the Gulf countries markets, and from the European markets. And according to their regulatory guidelines, we used to do the case reporting to the different people, such as the pharmacovigilance department and the regulatory authorities, which include the FDA, EMA, and the other regulatory authorities based on the markets.
Okay, that's fantastic job. Okay, because we are planning for a course in medical, information reviewer, a medical reviewer, and medical information specialist also, something like in my medical information. I just wanted to, know. Okay, anyone else?
Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone else who wants to go for a voluntary introduction? Otherwise, we can, wind up the class, wind up the orientation session, doesn't matter. But if anyone wants to go ahead,
Hello, good afternoon, sir. My name
good
is
afternoon.
Vineshri Pukade. I'm a PharmD intern, 6th year, doing internship in the college affiliated hospital itself. I have joined this RA course because I have keen interest in regulatory affairs, that how the medicines are brought to the normal public and learn about it. There is a hope that I'll learn much in this climate institute and gain some knowledge and provide something in future to the public. Thank you, sir.
Definitely. Thank you, dear, for joining. Thank you, everyone. Yes, anyone else, guys?
Hello, sir.
Hi, Sakshi.
Yeah, so I'm a dentist and I have been working for 4 years as a medical writer, like in that SEO and communication that sector, and also as a medical scribe. So
Okay.
what I have currently enrolled in executive diploma in medical writing. I wanted to go more into it. I want to learn about scientific writing, regulatory writing, and all of that. Enhance my skills and get a better pay, of course. Basically that.
Okay, that's good. What is medical scribe? I mean, I know, but how the medical scribe works?
It's basically we get the recordings of the patient provider conversation and we have to convert it into medical language, like into HPI, chief complaint, and all of that. And that paste into EHR. It's for US clients and all.
Okay, that's good. Yes, so anyone else, guys? That's nice talking to you, everyone. Who is going next? Anyone else? Hmm. Okay. I believe nobody's ready to introduce themselves. Okay, guys. So thank you very much for joining this, and let's learn ahead. And you will be getting the schedule very soon, most probably by Wednesday. And let's start with the courses. Okay, guys. So thank you very much for joining. Take care. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you.